Okay, in the last video, we discussed about data analytics. So now in this video, we are going to talk about project sync. By the way, this project sync, we have moved from here. As you can see the message, the sync functionality has been integrated into the projects page for the better user experience. You can now manage all your local and cloud projects performing like syncing operations and view detailed project information in one place. So when you go to the project page, so this is your menu. In the left hand side, you can click on projects and you can come on the projects page. As you can see here, some of the projects are saved to cloud and some of the projects are not saved. They are in the local right now. So the synced, when you see the synced, it means the project is available on local browser as well as pushed to the cloud. When you have this local option here, local, it means this is not pushed to the cloud, it is not saved to the cloud. Okay, when you see this need sync, it means this has been saved to the cloud, but in the local you have done some updates, so it needs to be resaved. Okay, so yeah, now let's say if you want to save something, click on save to cloud. When you click on save to cloud, it will be saved to the cloud, and it will show you here save to cloud. And it is going to be, see, it has been saved to cloud and it is synced also. Okay, so that's how you can actually save your project to the cloud. And if you're just going to click on the save all button, it is going to save all the projects for you. See, all the projects have been saved. Now zero need sync. You've got 32 projects, 80 messages like this. You can search your project from here. Let's say if I'm going to search Koala project, it is going to search all the Koala projects, all the projects which is having Koala in it. Let's say if I just search Koala Hub, I've got all the projects which are having Koala Hub. You see Koala Hub. This is also like Koala Hub. So all the projects related to Koala Hub. And if I just search about weather, all the projects which are having the weather information in it, you can search from here. Okay, you can filter information like synced, unsynced, need synced. So all you can filter them from here also. Okay, you can refresh from here and you can create a new project from here. So this is my project section. By the way, you can, when you are just creating a project, when you are here on this and you, let's say, create a weather app or expense tracker or recipe finder, okay, or crypto tracker. So let's say if you click create a crypto tracker, and on the crypto tracker, when we are just building this project, okay, as a crypto tracker, the project has been started. Once it is installed and it is ready, you can actually save it by click on publish button and click on save to cloud. Okay, so that's how you can actually use your save your project to the cloud from here. Okay, by click on save to cloud button. So when you just go back to the projects here, you will see your project has been, it's like synced already. Right now, there's like we have not saved it to the cloud, but if you click on save to cloud, it will be saved, okay, to the cloud. When you just load the project once again, let's say if you load the project from here, and if you just click on save to cloud button, it will be saved automatically. You don't have to resync again. So that's how you can save your projects to the cloud. Okay, or in the next video, we will talk about other features like app store, like creators, like resellers and team management, and etc. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Let's see you on the next video.